Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording we are seeing a massive bounce to the upside in a move that has now given us a break above the 20-day MA, and that is after making our low at around the $4.75 mark, and that's when we started that massive bounce to the upside after completing the formation of this wave 4. And if I give you a measure from this low that we made in the formation of that wave 5, you can see that the market is up by more than 22.38%, which is a massive bounce to the upside in what I'm terming as the start of this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I give you my next price targets and also a chart pattern that we have information here on the charts which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. Then we started this corrective structure, in this ABC corrective structure that has given us the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expected next is another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, where I was also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, and we have seen that higher Elliot wave count 3 giving us a peak at around the $6.42 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And after making our low at around the $4.75 mark, you can see we are seeing a massive bounce to the upside in what could be the start of this higher Elliot wave count 5. And before I sketch out my minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, allow me to first show you a chart pattern that is in formation right here, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side to also fully support the formation of that wave 5. And that chart pattern is a double bottom, and I can first connect the bottoms using this yellow target area down here. Then I can draw out the chart pattern having that as the first bottom. Then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and now the breakout could have started. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout as the height between the neckline and the bottom, and I can get that height and then place it above the neckline, and that gives me a minimum target area back to the area at around the $5.89 mark, which is a target area that we have almost fully maximized, meaning we have now seen the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and as long as we are holding above the 20-day MA and continue pushing even higher, then the next target area that I'm watching here on the charts is the area at around the $6 mark, which is a key resistance area. And the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be expecting to see a retest, and once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher and also have a break above the wave 3 high, which is at around the $6.42 mark. And once that happens, then we can continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6534 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do. And because a wave 5 is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave fully maximizing the formation of that wave 5 and also fully maximize our target areas. And note that the fib level 0.618 is just a minimum target area. There are chances that that wave 5 might be impulsive in such a way that we might continue breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's and maybe get us to the 100% area on the Fibonacci's, and that is at around the 8.4 $16 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that with 5 to the upside to do, and that is what I'm expecting also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 68 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that with 5 before we get into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that with 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.